see assholes like you every day.
Every fucking day.
Let's go to Vegas. We'll all get drunk and
Yeah! Woo! Woo!
let's steal a cop car, because it'll be really fucking funny.
Think you gonna get away with it? Not up in here!
Not up in here!
Okay, well, this is another project, cabinet that I'm finishing. It's gonna be black. I'm gonna take it all apart, sand it all down, wallpaper the inside of the back, and yeah, hopefully it'll look new. There's a lot of dings on it. I'll be filling those in and trying to do my best to make them disappear, but it'll all get done. See you in a bit. Okay, got the hardware off, at least the top piece. Took off the doors, the middle piece doesn't come out, so I'm gonna have to work around that, tape it all up, sand it down. Forgot the metal pieces that the magnets, but whatever, I'll take that out. And I will be removing the back to get this done. It's nailed in. It's a piece of wood, so I'll be removing it. Alright, see you in a little while. I've already sanded almost all of it. Took the backing off, and now we're about to clean it up, patch up some holes, and some little dents like right there. And yeah, get this thing all looking nice and newer. You know, like right here, see that? That's brutal. And up here too. Yeah. But it's a work in progress. Okay, well, I prepped it all. It's all sanded. Ready for paint, first coat. I was gonna prime it, but unfortunately, I don't have any primer, and I can't get out to go get primer right now, or anytime soon. But yeah, anyways, I'm sure it'll be fine with a couple of coats. I filled in a couple of holes, as you can see. There, a lot of the paint was flaking. The old paint, I guess, was cracking from being, I guess, stored in somewhere that was probably cold and hot at times, and you know, in the summer and cold in the winter. There was a bunch of chips all gone here. I did fill that in. That's with wood glue and sawdust. But other than that, let's get the painting. I'll see you in a bit. Just gave it the second coat. Got a few touch-ups I gotta do, but other than that, it looks great. I'll show you finished product. Well, I sanded down to the bottom piece, as you saw last time. This is the first coat. The inside will stay brown, obviously. Not gonna deal with that, too many scratches after putting stuff in it. But yeah, this is the first coat, and I'll get back on the second coat, and hopefully the whole completion of everything. Well, see you then. Got the second coat on this, first coat on the drawer. Still got to do the other drawer, which is over there. Just have to patch a few things, but it's turning out pretty good. A lot of sanding. This was an old piece. Had a lot of indents and marks. There are still a few that will be visible, but very small. So yeah, anyways, that's the do-it-yourself quarantine time. And once everything is put together with the top piece that I have under there, and white full of tools and everything, it'll look great. All right, see you then. Okay, well, I've painted the drawers, everything. I still need to paint the interior part there as it's showing. I totally forgot to do that, but other than that, it's looking pretty fine. Got the handles on. Shit's looking pretty dope. Got the backing painted. Got the doors painted on the back there. I gotta do the front of them. This is the top piece. Those are going on the top piece, which is under this tarp here, this white thing. But yeah, this is the do-it-yourself project on quarantine, I guess. All right, I'll show you when this shit's done. Well, got everything painted. Backing, I do the white thing, the white cover there. There's the top piece for this unit. For these, that takes these glass doors. These small doors go on this unit here, on the bottom unit, and still need to wallpaper it on the inside. On the shelves, there's another shelf right under there, and wallpaper the back of that unit, the one that's covered in white. So yeah, I'll get back to you when that is done. Well, this is the finished product, the bottom piece, at least. I got all the wallpaper in. I think it looks amazingly great. But yeah, it took a lot of work. You know, if I can do it, you can do it. But yeah, just got to be wiped down and stuff. This is the top part. It's got the wallpaper in the back. It's still got to put on the doors, but and clean it up on the glass. See there on the bottom and stuff. Got a few little pieces of hardware to put on too, the magnets at the bottom there. But other than that, it looks great. I'll get back to you with finished product. Okay, this is finished product. Pretty badass. It's looking dope. I just missing one hinge there, which I gotta put that in a few minutes, but I need to straighten her out. She was bent. It's a really old unit, so you know, other than that, she looks fucking amazing. Look at that. If I can do it, you can do it. It's obviously beautiful. Yes. Do it yourself at home on quarantine.